We keep on trends by attending a lot of design seminars and websites and also webinars, and there are so many available through NKBA, through all the industry reps. All the manufacturers will have their own new products, and the trendsetters will show what the trends are for next couple of years. And then every time they have something new coming up or the trends are setting for next couple of years, they do update us periodically. They will come and do their presentations here in our showroom as well, and that's how we learn about these new trends. As far as staying current with the trends, we always get samples from them. We always show it to our customers. We are very open about our design process, but our goal is to make this design process as timeless as possible.